I'm creating some worksheets from my baby boy. He is 20 months now, crazy. But he's starting to count pretty well. He does, like, I'll say 1 and he'll say 2, 3, 4, and then he kind of like goes off on 5, 6, 7, like he doesn't get these yet. But then he'll say 8, 9, 10. So he's doing pretty well with the counting. I found this graphic on, I just Googled like a bunch of stuff, like numbers, image for kids. I Googled and I saw they had a couple, like they have this colorful jumbo numbers bulletin board set. And then they have this one, which I liked more. So I just saved the picture and I'm gonna just print it out because I don't need a bulletin board. Like, I just don't. I don't need a huge thing. So I put it on this is just a pages, like a Mac pages sheet. So I'm gonna just make one. I like when the sheet has the uppercase and the lowercase at the same time, because then the child will learn to identify both versions of the letter. When it's just all caps, when they see little a or little b, they will not, like, not to say that they won't, but it's just easier when they have learned it together, like this one, how they're, uppers and lowers together. So I don't like any of the ones I found, so I'm gonna just type up. I started to type one up, and yeah, so there's 26 letters in the alphabet. I'm gonna say, right? How many letters in the alphabet? How many letters in the alphabet? Yeah, 26 letters. It's one of those things, don't judge me. Like when you have to just double check on a test and you just calculate like 3 plus 1 just to make sure it's 4, because you just never know. That's what I just did. So, judge your mama. Okay. We are going to create a little sheet. 26 divided by, let's say, 4? 26. I'm trying to see how many rows I want. So I think I want 4 or 5 in each row. I'm going to do 5 if I can fit it. Why are my snaps not on? Settings. Yeah, my snaps are not on, so now they are. Okay. Let's see if I could do 5. No, I'm going to do 4 because I don't want to make them any smaller than this. So let's do B. And like, if you don't care, you can go ahead and print out whatever you want. This being pretty is not going to make my child learn the alphabet any faster. I just am who I am. Okay, and I like things to be cohesive because this is going to be laying around my apartment. I do want it to be colorful because I believe that colors are more engaging for children, so I do want this to be all colorful after I'm done. I'm just checking out a different font. I like this one better. And I'm actually going to set all of these to, because right now they're kind of snapping with each other. So I'm going to put none on move with text and put it to stay on page, not. I'm changing some of these settings because it's not allowing me to snap properly. So I want the colors to be the same as this sheet. So I'm choosing the letter, and then I'm going to text color. I'm using the, what is this, like this little dropper. And I'm going over this sheet to show the colors. I want to make these all thicker. And then I want to outline the text. So I'm going to just Google how to outline text in Apple Pages. Here. Cool. I want to add an outline so it looks a little bit more cohesive. And I'm showing you all of this to know, to like show that Google is a free resource. There are so many things. Okay, so my SD card filled up, so I had to pause and empty that out. But in the meantime, I went ahead and added an outline to all my letters, so now they match nicely with my number sheet. And then I'm creating a sheet for feelings. I found this page set on Amazon. I just Googled feelings sheet for kids. If you see, there's a thread here, what I'm Googling. It's only $20. I could buy this, but this is an 11 by 17 page and it's really big. My child is 20 months old. This maybe when he's older, I will get this set. It also explains like things I can control and things I can't control. I love this page. And healthy calming strategies. This is like why I always customize my own things, because like, okay, if I bought this, I like 3 out of 4 of the pages, but healthy calming strategies, the only one I don't like about this one is pet an animal, because sorry, like, we don't have a dog and don't go petting a random animal. I don't know, like I'm not an animal person. That one I would get rid of. So this is why I like to make my own things, because there's always something that I would change. So I'm creating my own. I copied that page and then I'm taking some of these out because these are really great emotions for an older child. I think even like a 3-year-old could understand all of this, but while he's starting to learn emotions, I think it's very overwhelming to have this many. So I want to pick maybe 6 of these. Over here on arrange section, I'm putting stay on page, and under text wrap where it says automatic, I'm putting none, and that'll just help you with formatting different like boxes and pages. Just do it if you're doing this, like it'll help you. The font I used up there is Avenir, so I'm gonna take that font and use it here. Again, like not necessary, but look, this is just the way I like to live my life, okay? Okay. See, and there's always things like I don't like the ones that say, today I'm feeling, because feelings change. You might be feeling happy in the morning. That doesn't mean today. that means right now I'm feeling, So it's just, everyone parents differently. Do your thing. But this is why I like to customize things, because I don't like this whole, like, today I'm feeling sad. But, like, you don't have to feel sad today. You're feeling sad right now. What can you do to feel better? Today's not over. Right now, in the moment, you're feeling something. But how can we change that? So, it's just little things. Most people don't care. Do what you want with your children. See, so like, I'm glad I checked, because I like how this sheet says, how are you feeling? And it says emotions. So hold on, let me download it so I can show you closer to the camera. I do like how this says emotions on it, because it also shows that, these are emotions. I like having that word on there. You see how when you move this around, it moves everything around? In order to make it stop doing that, so I could put it wherever I want, that's when you have to put stay on page and turn text wrap from automatic to none. And then you can put it wherever you want, and it's not gonna like move things around. So that's what I was saying earlier. If you wanted these, I could create like a Google, I could upload them to Google and include a link for you guys to download them for your kiddos. So let me know if anyone is interested in that. I can definitely do that, because why not? Share the love. So I'm gonna go ahead and print these out. I'm gonna do it on like a thick paper that I have, and I'm gonna just be putting them into binder sleeves. I hope this might have been helpful. Maybe it inspired you to do this for your kids too. And yeah, that's it. Bye. I printed out my sheets and I love them. So excited to work on these with Junior. I put them in these binder sleeves, and then I just added some tape along the top so that they can't come out. So just so you can see, these are just standard 8.5 by 11 binder sleeves. That way the pages don't get ripped up or drooled all over with my little guy. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay, what number is this? 5. What number is this?
2.
What number is this?
8.
No, this one.
9.
Good job. What number is this?
9.
9. What number is this?
8.
Yes. What number is this?
10.
Yay. What letter is this? What letter is this? Yeah. What